Whenever I'm coming up with new scents or a new product, I'll usually close my eyes and I'll smell it and I'm like, what memory is this making me think of? Is it something from my childhood, something from adulthood? You know, is it a good lavender smell or something that was just relaxing as a kid? Perfect, that's gonna be, you know, a bath bomb or a soak. My granddad had the smell of like cigarettes and cinnamon and stuff in the basement. So any cinnamon kind of stuff is always like a candle or something. And I love the nostalgic part of it. Hi, I'm Josh Ray, and this is the Bath Lab in Knoxville, Tennessee. I got into bath products and everything in about 2017. Me and some friends were all together for a little party and we had several drinks and we were like, you know what? Pinterest is a popular thing right now. Let's find a bath bomb recipe. Getting to just create something with my hands and everything. I loved just the colors and everything, and the fragrances were a big thing. I loved just the smells of them. We had made the bath bombs for friends and family, and it was coming close to Christmas time. So I was like, you know what? People are looking for this fun handmade Christmas gifts right now. And I looked into Etsy and opened up an Etsy shop for the holiday season just to see, you know, if I sell something great. If not, I don't sell anything, oh well. And the response was great. Today, it is my full-time job. So this is what pays for my livelihood every single day now. And we do a variety of bath and body treats. We do bath bombs, body scrubs, soaks, bubble baths, candles and wax melts, and a variety of other fun seasonal products. So this is the one-stop shop for the Bath Lab for production, marketing, and everything. So we make everything in here. All of our photo shoots and everything are done in here. I wanted every part of it to be usable. So throughout the studio space, it's all painted in my brand colors. That way I have built-in backdrops for all of my photos. The Bath Lab is definitely for everybody. Anybody that just loves self-care and fun colors and fun smells is definitely gonna love the Bath Lab. Our signature scent would be Cute Butt. It's our peach scent. And for the longest time, it was just called Peach. But then I was like, you know what? No, we're a fun, colorful company. We're gonna have a fun name for it. We've got Butt Naked, we have Monkey Farts, and then we have Lumberjack Daddy. For Halloween, we have like a trick or treat and a zombie brains. And then for Christmas, we'll have like a reindeer poop and a handful of other really fun ones. The brainstorming it's honestly a lot of work. I will sit down with all of the fragrances that I'm gonna work with and I'll just smell it for a while and try to figure out, okay, what kind of vibe is this giving me? What are the scent notes in it? Okay, it's a, you know, peach or apple. Okay, cool, so it's gonna be kind of a summery scent. What memories or, you know, what's popular during summertime? And then I'll kind of have a checklist and I'll kind of go from there to hopefully come up with a name that people like. I usually blend all of my fragrances here and I'll start with, you know, 10% of one scent and 90% of another, see if that's good. No, that's not good. Okay, let's try it again. And we just go through a super long testing phase of coming up with the perfect scent. I definitely take quite a few baths. I do have to test it out. Yeah, I'm like, you know what? This is a part of my job. So yes, it's 10 a.m., but I'm gonna go take a bubble bath real quick. So this space has, I mean, it's honestly been a lifesaver, getting to have everything in one spot and just being able to physically see what all I have in stock and, you know, what ingredients and stuff I have. And it's really helped me just be able to scale up production a lot. Being able to, you know, crank stuff out and have the space for all of the inventory has been really great. I would make 6 bath bombs when I first started in 2017. And now I think our standard batch is about 50 bath bombs. And we're usually doing like 2 batches of each scent, so about 100 of each scent going on almost every day. Creating kind of that work-life balance has been one of the biggest things, you know, because there were days where I'd be out here until 10 p.m. working. I don't want to say that I lost the joy and excitement for it, but it definitely, that, you know, light wasn't as bright as it had been. And that's whenever I realized, okay, I need to treat this like a job. So I need to clock in at 8 a.m. and I need to clock out at 4 p.m. You know, regardless of if I've still got stuff to do, I have to have that balance. You know, I need to have that life outside of work. I realized, you know, I was getting more stuff done. Before, when I would just work all day, you know, I would maybe make a product, I would maybe chill for a little bit. But now I look at the end of my day, I'm like, oh wow, I actually got quite a bit done, you know, by just having that boundary of this is my time to work. My selling channels for my products is directly through our website, and then we do wholesale as well. And then markets are our big one. I would say about 50% of our business is from markets. So my very first in-person market was actually at a nursing home. It's just all these cute little old ladies and they would buy a bath bomb for their grandkids. I made $60.11 and I thought I was the coolest person. And I started looking for other markets and everything, and for a while I was doing every single market that I could find. But then I learned whenever I do every single market, people aren't as excited to see me. So now we've tried to kind of scale it back now to do just kind of the higher end, nicer markets. And we've got retro coming up. That is one of our big markets that we have. This is about to look like a winter wonderland in here. Just seeing everybody's hard work displayed, it's just really awesome.
I like my booth and everything to be very shoppable, and I like it to be very eye-catching, so I have all the really fun colors to really pull you in, and I like to set it up to where you can kind of walk around really easily and just kind of, grab as many products as you want to, make it as user-friendly as possible.
I definitely try to make sure there's a variety of products that are affordable for everybody. I'll try to make sure I have, bath bombs for the people that love a good soak, and I'll have a body wash and shower steamers for those that still want, that fun self-care but maybe don't like to soak, so they just want, a shower. My favorite part about my job would definitely just be seeing the smiles on people's faces. We have a very dedicated customer base, and they are always so excited to see what new products we have and to stock up on all of their favorite ones that we've had for a while. And that just makes me feel so good knowing that I have people that want to see me at these events. The relationships that I get to build with the customers are absolutely amazing. It's really great getting to meet the customers and get to know them on a personal level and know, okay, these are the products they love. And it's just really awesome getting to almost curate the experience with them.
The day has just been really good. Everybody's loved all of the products, which is always really great. And it's just exciting seeing the hard work pay off.
I just want it to be a bright, positive thing. I want, whenever you shop at my booth in a market or something, I want you to see my products and my displays and just, I want you to feel happy and know that it's okay to be super fun and colorful and be out there.
If you liked this video, subscribe to Handmade for more just like it.